Infections continue to be the main cause of child mortality worldwide, and among them, omphalritis is a public health problem, especially in resource-poor countries where the incidence is still high. And for this reason, umbilical cord stump care should be taken of the greatest importance in the reduction of mortality and morbidity of these precious new lives. In this video, we are going to share about 5 health tips on how mothers can take care of their newborns cord stump. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon down there so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you so much all those who have subscribed and are following my videos. May God bless you. Please continue following, continue to watch, continue to like, continue to comment on the videos, continue to ask your questions as we learn together. Thank you. You will be surprised when you do a postnatal ward visit or you do a postnatal home follow-up of these mothers and see what they are capable of applying to their newborns cord stump. Some can put some herbs which you will really look at and you won't understand. And others put charcoal powder, like the charcoal you know which you use to cook food. That powder they can sprinkle it around the baby's cord. And others, they are capable of spitting on their baby's cord, like poo, poo. Then they spit all around. They spit saliva all around the cord. And at worst, some mothers can put cow dung. And all this, they try to do all this in the names of wanting the cord to get off quickly. But all this put your baby at a risk of developing neonatal sepsis and other debilitating complications. And some will actually get tetanus, which may lead to death of your newborn. I have a feeling all of us may remember or know what umbilical cord means, but just to remind everyone, umbilical cord is a tube-like structure that connects the fetus to the mother during pregnancy and helps to supply nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. So when the baby is born, it is clamped and cut off short, remaining as an umbilical cord stump. And this is where our focus is. We are looking at how can we have this cord stump taken care of. Continue to watch. Number 1, avoid use of harmful traditional substances to your baby's cord stump. And this includes charcoal powder, it includes saliva that I talked about, it includes cow dung and all the other things that you have been applying or you have seen people apply. Please stop using them because they put your baby at a risk of developing neonatal sepsis, infections of the newborn. And at worst, a baby can get tetanus and she will end up with long-term complications, and at worst, such a baby can lose their life. Number 2, wash your hands with clean water and soap before and after handling your baby's cord. Some mothers have a tendency of coming from the kitchen with charcoal, coming maybe from the toilet, they haven't washed their hands, and they want to touch the baby's cord. And some people also, you're just from cleaning a baby's poop, you want to touch the baby's cord without washing your hands. This is unhealthy, and this habit should be stopped so that we keep our babies healthy and sound. Number 3, do not pull baby's cord. Let the cord fall off by its own. It's always a natural process and it should take its course. I've seen some mothers who attempted to keep turning it around, especially day 2, day 3, and then some are trying to pull it off. This is unhealthy for your baby, and it can put them at a risk of bleeding. Falling off of the cord is a natural process, and by the end of first 7 days of life, the cord is likely to fall off unless there's some other complications. So it is the natural process, and you need to let it take its course. Number 4, fold your baby's diaper so that it rests below the baby's cord stump. And this helps to shield the cord stump from baby's pee, sweat, and also prevent unnecessary pressure and discomfort from a tight diaper. Please keep reminded that covering your baby's cord with a tight diaper or a tight cloth will make the baby's cord stay wet because of the sweat that is accumulated over time. And at the end of it all, it will make the cord delay to fall off. And this will actually keep you worried. So please keep reminded that the cord shouldn't be covered tightly with anything around it. It should actually just be kept exposed. Number 5, keep your baby's cord clean and dry. Mothers are encouraged to do sponge bath for their babies in the first 1 week of life. Just have your boiled water, which is at a room temperature, soak your towel, and then use it to dry your baby all throughout the body. But you still have to clean from inside out. First clean around the cord, and then as you spread to the other parts of the body, and then leave the cord to air dry. We are encouraging you to avoid immersing the babies in the tub or in the basin, as this will leave the cord of the baby wet. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the end. Please share these videos and let everyone and other people learn from this video. Continue to leave in the comments for me so that we interact much more. And do not forget to subscribe. Until next time.